I've always been very interested in healthcare. I actually wanted to major in biology, but after coming to Stevenson, I realized there was a healthcare management major on here, which was very new. And after taking a few classes, it actually opened my eyes to the behind the scenes of healthcare systems. As patients, we see what we go through every time we go in the hospital, but it was very interesting to know the behind the scenes. And after taking a few classes, I was also very interested in compliance, which really went well with my legal studies minor. As healthcare management majors, you're required to have an internship. This semester, my internship was with a wellness center, Her Mind, Her Body, and there I was an administrative intern. When I first went in, skills that helped me settle in was business strategies, because we were healthcare management, but also the business side. Being able to work with patients, patient safety, data, confidentiality. HIPAA came up a lot because I worked with insurance and also patient privacy data. So after graduation, I'll have a full-time job with the same company I interned with, but this time I will be more in compliance and also be allowed to work more on the bigger project as compared to what I did as an intern, and supporting as an intern, I would be in charge of those.